Fifth third shooting survivor Whitney Austin is pushing for a new gun law now in Kentucky. It's designed to temporarily take firearms out of the hands of those in danger of harming themselves or others.
WCPO 9 News reporter Kristen Swilley shares why Austin says this bill is different than others around the country and the obstacles it may face.
Austin says the key difference with Senate Bill 229 is the power it gives the courts to temporarily take away those guns with due process. But national gun advocacy groups have opposed similar legislation in the past.
I started in on this solution because I saw it as a way to prevent what happened to me.
Whitney Austin knows she can't undo what happened to her September 6th, 2018, but she says she's focused on preventing the next tragedy.
We need to act now. We absolutely need to act now, and so this allows for that.
The bill is known as CAR, the Crisis Aversion and Rights Retention Bill. Austin's foundation, Whitney Strong, is working with Kentucky legislators to make it law.
I think we can all think about a situation in which a gun owner is struggling, especially right now in the pandemic with increased rates of anxiety, depression. And there's just not an easy way to be able to help that gun owner right now, especially if you're talking about suicide.
The bill would create a legal path for a concerned citizen to temporarily separate someone in crisis from their gun. The person would contact police with evidence. If the officer decides it's credible, he or she would get an order signed off on by a judge, and a hearing would take place 2 weeks later. Separation is not permanent or automatic. The National Rifle Association has criticized similar legislation in the past for being unfair to the gun owner. But the bill in Kentucky has bipartisan support.
I'm a gun owner. I believe it as our constitutional right. And this doesn't violate that. It goes after trying to help people.
Austin believes this is the Commonwealth's best opportunity for immediate change.
As a gun owner, we need to recognize the crisis moments that happen in life, and they happen to gun owners too.
So how long is temporary if a judge determines there is due cause to take away someone's guns? There is no minimum, but it could be as long as a year. Kristen Swilley, WCPO 9 News.